What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a walkthrough on how I got this bomb cherry color with these bangs. I'm not a professional, so this video should be relatively simple and beginner friendly. This is Alipearl Hair from AliExpress. I would just like to say that this is probably the best vendor that I have ever encountered on AliExpress. And I've been on the AliExpress way for quite some time, so if you are planning on purchasing hair from AliExpress, I'm gonna leave all the store details in the description box if you are interested. Also, if you are digging this look, go ahead and like the video and go ahead and subscribe for more content, and I will see you in the next video. So first things first, I'm going to be bleaching the hair on this giant trash bag. I always find a way of staining whatever I'm bleaching on, so I just use this trash bag. This is the wig here, and I'm just going to throw it to the side because I'm going to be mixing my bleach. Make sure you're always wearing gloves when you're bleaching and dyeing your hair to protect your skin from all those harsh chemicals and just destroying your skin. I'm just pouring the BW2 bleach into a bowl, and I'm going to go in with the 30 volume developer right after. I don't really measure. I've never honestly even read the directions before. I don't measure. I just mix it until I find the consistency that I want to dye the hair with. Usually, a nice consistency is about, kind of till you get it like pancake dough. For those of you guys who know how to cook, kind of just get it liquidy enough to where it's like pancake dough. I'm starting from the very back of the wig. I'm just gonna part the last weft that I sewed, and so I'm just gonna go weft by weft. So I'm parting this last weft and making sure that that the part is not too thick, that I'm not taking too much hair, because it's very hard to get the bleach thoroughly through if you are using big chunks of hair. So I'm just detangling the hair, and then after that I will be applying the bleach. So this hair processed really freaking fast. As you can see, by the time I got done with the top, the bottom was already processing really fast. So I don't know, I just wasn't really expecting that from AliExpress hair, but also I wasn't complaining because I didn't have to wait too long. You want to wait at least a good 30 minutes if your hair is processing really fast. I went ahead and waited about 45 minutes, and you can wait all the way up to an hour, but you don't want to do it any longer than an hour because your hair will be dry, very dry. so I'm back with the hair, and as you can see, it processed really well. I don't know why this is low-key giving me like Beyonce vibes or something, but it was cute. So I'm putting my gloves back on so I can go ahead and mix the dye together. The colors that I showed you, they weren't showing up in the camera anyway, so I was like, forget it. But I only showed 2 bottles, but I ended up using 3 bottles. The colors that I used were Rich Amber, Magenta, and Wild Cherry. And at first I tried to like portion them out and stuff, but I ended up using all of it, so I just poured all the bottles. I did exactly what I did with the bleaching. I parted the hair by the wefts that I sewed, and I'm literally doing the exact same thing. I'm just depositing the color onto the hair and making sure that it's thoroughly, you know, deposited throughout all of the strands. You don't want to miss anything because you don't want to have any blonde patches. But I didn't get much footage because my camera died, so. So my camera died in the process of me dyeing the hair, but it turned out how I wanted it. I used Adore, Magenta, Rich Amber, and Wild Cherry. I used all 3 bottles. I didn't have any leftover. I really like it like this, but the color bled through the lace, as you can see, so I'm not gonna leave it like this, but I was gonna cut bangs in it anyway, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. I'm really nervous because honestly, like, bangs, that's not really my thing, but I don't know, I just feel like I'm ready to kind of like try something new. And I watched a few videos or whatever on how to cut bangs, but I'm not a professional at all, so like hopefully this doesn't like ruin the wig because I actually really like this.
Hard, or I mean, it is dry, but it's like really hard. So I'm gonna go ahead and just try to cut these bangs.
So guys, like I said, I had no idea what I was doing. I just watched a few YouTube videos that had me feeling scissor happy, had me feeling like I could just do whatever. And then, to be honest, when I got to this part, I just felt like I ruined the whole wig. Like, I literally was trying to contain my facial expressions, but I was like, girl, what the hell is this?
You so motherfucking dangerous. You so motherfucking dangerous. Hey, yo, let's don't shoot me down. Yeah. Don't shoot me down. Okay. Don't shoot me down. Started with a me.
It wasn't until this part where I felt like things were really coming together. I wet the bangs a little bit so the curl could come back, and then that's when I was kind of like, okay, I can get jiggy with this, you know.
for me.